Not a bad view this morning. Lovely little town. São Pedro do Sol, Portugal. Feel a little bit better today. About to have a day off. Can't believe I got ill on this trip. Wounded. Mark. Scenical. If it keeps it flowing, it'll be better. Who doesn't love a single track trail riverside? That needs a bit of airing. Can any British companies start selling them goggle lenses that have like little flaps on the sides that open? Just like release the inner lens rather than anything else. Lets a bit of air in. Forgot what they're called, but one of the lads here's got them. Cookie's got them on. We had to get them from somewhere in France, I think. Can't find them. Oh wow, that looks beautiful. Revin, Kevin. That's how we do it, Mark. You do that. Whoa! Came in a bit hot over that ditch. Me like. The grip is outstanding. Bridge. What a trail. Stop.
Go on now, Tom over stuff.
Was he? That's a surprise. Can't tell you how grippy that granite rock is with the super soft mats they're on. Don't really get trails like this in England. Yes, now. Pigeons in sight. Pigeon's gone. I mean, this is up there, one of the best trails I've ever ridden. Look at it. It's the trail that just keeps giving. Whoa, that's an edge. Look at this. Oh mate, that's epic. Ew. That's good. I'll film the guys coming through there. Has that been on fire? Endless, these trails. Endless of epicness. Whoa, hit at neutral. Wet more than marshy ground here. Bit rare. Teddy. Some views there, James. What, in all of Portugal?
Yeah, so he said.
Oh! Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck. Dead leg. Ah.
Alright.
Yeah, I just got a dead leg. Oh. What was that all about? Are they not with us? Fuck me. That is beautiful. Look at them rocks. Fucking hell. Balsa! Oh no! Stokes has just done gubbins. Gubbins gonna get him back. Oh! That was tight. Oh. Did you just put a move on the champ? Bike feels good. Stokes is going long. Wah! Oh! Yes, kid. You. Oh dear. The fumes of two-strokes not doing me any favours at all. Normally quite like that smell and everything, but today it's painful on the front. Teddy is absolutely flagging. He's not well in, lad. Poor Teddy. He's now the next victim of the flu thing we've all been getting. What's he doing? Pigeons on the pipe! Oh, shut me out! Oh! Ooh, pigeon! What are you doing? What a structure.
Yeah. There was a lot missing. Yeah, not far away. Bye bye.
Someone didn't wait on a corner.
I called my.
And the group is kicking off.
Cooker.
No,
Dave Bell.
no, my. What is that?
And I like winding them all.
No, sous chef. Okay. That's okay.
The barbecue's
I'm
lit.
going to say that
We're
was the
going back.
butler, but.
Carnival's house where the barbecue is on, ready for the potties arrival. Yes. Right, that's been Portugal 2025 with the potty crew, and thanks to the Portuguese guys for taking us out. The hospitality of these guys is second to none. Really appreciate it. They're putting the barbecue on for us now. They've got beers for the lads and everything. We're going to pack the hire vans up, head to the airport in the hire car. The other guys are driving the vans back. And yeah, it's been an epic trip, great weather, great people. Was a little bit hindered with illness, but nevertheless we made the most of it, and these trails, they're just so good. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bosh.